Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I am bringing you one method on how to make the Picot stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For my test swatch, I am using single crochet stitches for the body. And for the row that I'm currently working, I have made one chain over here. And then I've made 2 single crochet stitches in these stitches here. I will have that tutorial listed up and down below. So we're going to go ahead and work off of this stitch right here that I have made to make the Picot. So what you're going to do is you're going to make chains. I'm going to go ahead and do 3. Then from here, you would loop it back into your work. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to attach it back into this single crochet here. So I'm going to go into the single crochet stitch. I'm going to grab the yarn and I'm going to do a slip stitch. I'm going to pull it through this and I'm going to pull it through the loop on my hook. And that is going to be a Picot. It is just made up of some chains. And you can use as many chains. I usually use between 3, 4, or 5 chains for my Picots, depending on how big I want them to be. So I'm going to go ahead and do a regular single crochet over here in this stitch. I'm going to do another single crochet, but I'm going to make another Picot. So we're going to do 3 chains. Then you would loop it back into that single crochet using a slip stitch. You're going to go back into it just like this. You're going to grab that yarn that you're working with. You're going to pull it through that stitch, then pull it through that loop on your hook. Okay, that's going to be another Picot. I'm going to make a single crochet here. Another single crochet. All right, we're going to make another Picot. 1, 2, 3 chains. Go back into that single crochet over here. Grab that yarn, pull it through that single crochet, and then pull it on through that loop on your hook. It's going to be another Picot made. All right, we're going to keep going with single crochets. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to start another Picot. Go into that single crochet you just worked. Grab that yarn, pull it through that loop on your hook. Why is this yarn over here tingling? Okay. Keep going with single crochets. Make another Picot. 1, 2, 3. Go into that single crochet we just worked, grab that yarn, pull it through that loop on your hook. Another single crochet. Another single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Go into that single crochet just made, grab that yarn, pull it through that stitch, pull it up through that loop on your hook to complete that Picot. Another single crochet, another single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch through that single crochet to complete that Picot. If you need to learn how to slip stitch, I will also have that video listed. I have a tutorial on that as well. And this Picot stitch can be made with any stitches. I just chose to do the single crochet stitch for this little swatch. And that is going to be how it's going to look. That is going to be how to make the Picot stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback on future videos that you would like to see. Thank you for being here. Have a great day.